Hi, welcome all. Welcome to the Cloud Rabbit. In today's class, I am going to explain how to install the Jenkins. How to install the Jenkins. Basically, Jenkins is the CI/CD tool. CI stands for Continuous Integration, Continuous Deployment Tool. It is to deploy the software project by using the CI/CD tool. Jenkins is one of the CI/CD tool. There are number of CI/CD tools are there, like Git Actions, Azure Pipelines, GitOps, Travis CD, Argo. Multiple CI/CD tools are there. But in today's class, I am going to install Jenkins. Okay. To install the Jenkins, I just log into the AWS console. And here I am choosing a Mumbai region. So under the Mumbai data center, for creation of the Jenkins, for installation of the Jenkins server, just need to click on the launch instance. Give the name. You can give any name. And we're giving the name here Jenkins server. Jenkins server. Okay. Then selected Ubuntu Linux. Next class I will show you how to install the Jenkins on the Amazon Linux. Select the Ubuntu. Select the T2 micro. Create a key pair. You can create any key pair. I am giving the name as a Jenkins server. Just created a key pair. Then key pair was stored in the desktop. And the most important thing is there, in the network settings, we need to change the Jenkins port number. For login into the Ubuntu console, so we had already enabled the SSH. Here under the add security group role, so Jenkins uses the port number 8080. Here select the custom TCP, select the port number 8080, and source type is select here anywhere. Then click on the launch instance. And click on the instance. Just refresh. Wait for some time. Just refresh. Now the instance is running. For correcting the Jenkins server, you can use any terminal like Baba Extrem or Git Bash or your SSH also. You can log into the SSH also. Here I just use a Git Bash terminal. You can download the Git software from the Google. Just go to the Google, type Git and enter. Here click on the download for Windows and click on the 64-bit JIT for Windows setup. Click on the start download. Once it is installed, installation is pretty simple. Just double click on the downloaded file and click on next. And the JIT software will be installed. Once the JIT software is installed in our computer, how to check whether the JIT is installed or not? Just right click on the desktop. Click on the show more options. Having a option is there, Git Bash. If you install the JIT, you will find this Git Bash here, Git terminal here. Or else you can access the Jenkins from the putty, or else you can access from the Mobile Extrem also. I am accessing this Ubuntu instance from the Git Bash. Here JIT terminal, I already downloaded the key. So it was downloaded on desktop. Just click on the Jenkins server to connect the Jenkins server or Ubuntu server. Here click on the connect here. Click on the SSH client. Then click on the example here. Just minimize here. Right click. My key pair is there in the desktop. If your key pair is in download, you need to go to the download. Just click on the show more options. Click on the open git bash. Paste this command. Then enter. Then S. Type S. Okay. Understood. Then I just log into the Ubuntu console. So it is a Ubuntu EC2 machine. First we need to log into the root. To log into the root, we need to type sudo su. Then we need to update. The local repository should be updated. For updating the local repository of the Ubuntu, we need to type apt update. Okay. Now I updated Ubuntu. For installation of Jenkins, it is mandatory to install the Java. So for installation of the Java, I just go here, type apt install OpenJDK. Or else we can type apt install default-jre. Then I'll just paste these all commands in the description. So then I install the Java. Once the Java is installed, how to check whether the Java is installed on your computer? So here it is installing the Java. Okay, installing the default Java. Okay, takes time to install. Once it is installed, then we're going to install the Jenkins. So without Java, Jenkins we can't install. So for that one, first I install the Java. If I install the Java here, I just type to check whether the Java is there in my computer, in my EC2 instance, Java -- version. Now I install the Java -- version. It shows the Java runtime environment 21.0. To install the Jenkins, pretty simple. I'll tell you that steps for the installation of Jenkins. Just go to the Google, type Jenkins download. Okay, so then click on the download and deploy. Here after that, there are two options are there. One is the download Jenkins 2.463. Another option is the download Jenkins for 4.52 option. You can choose both. I am choosing this one, LTS, limited service. For downloading the Jenkins for Windows, we need to click on here. But I am installing the Jenkins for the Ubuntu Linux. For that one, just click on the generic var. Click on the copy link address. Just click on the copy link address, and here go to the Ubuntu instance. Type the command wget paste. Then enter. The var will be downloaded. This is one of the simplest Jenkins installation. So of all the things, there are multiple ways to install the Jenkins, but this is one of the simplest way. Let me check here whether Jenkins installed or not. So now Jenkins is installed. To run the Jenkins here, type java -jar and jenkins.war. Okay, and jenkins.war will be run. So mean that installing the Jenkins. Okay, so it will install the Jenkins in the Ubuntu instance. Let me wait here. Once it is installed, it generated one initial password of the Jenkins. So here, whenever you log into the Jenkins, it asks for the initial password. How will you access the Jenkins instance? For accessing the Jenkins instance, go to the Jenkins server, copy the public IP address of the Ubuntu instance, go to the browser and paste here, and we need to add the port number :8080 because the what is that default port number of the Jenkins 8080. It was added in the security group. So now Jenkins console is opening. Whenever Jenkins console is opening, it asks for the initial administrator password. It asks for the initial administrator password, and the password is generated this one. If you don't know the password where it is, this is the path. Go to this path. This is the path where the secret password will be there. /root dot jenkins secrets initial administration password. Just copy this password. Just copy this password. Understood? Just copy this password. Minimize here and paste here. Here paste the administrator password. Then quote. Continue. So then it asks for the install suggested plugins and select plugins install. Select the installed suggested plugin. Wait for some time. It will take some 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, the Jenkins will be installed. Okay, then we need to change the initial Jenkins password. So by the default, whenever install Jenkins, it generated initial password. Then we are going to change the password of the Jenkins. Okay, wait. Installing the Jenkins. Okay, I told you that Jenkins is the CI/CD tool. So by using Jenkins, we can deploy the software. So basically, any software like Java, like Python, Node.js, any software. Okay, Jenkins is one of the most popular tool for continuous integration and continuous deployment. Okay, so I will just post all videos of the DevOps. So please support me, that whether all people just support me and subscribe me. Okay, so now it is installing the Jenkins. Once it is the Jenkins installed, then we're going to run a small project. How you use the Jenkins will be run. Okay. It takes time. Wait for some time. It depends upon the internet speed also. Okay. Now it's asking for the username password. You can put any username password according to your requirement. And just giving the username as admin, password as admin, everything keep as admin here. Okay. You can add any Gmail, you can add any email. There's no issue. Here, save and continue. When you click on save and continue and save and finish, now Jenkins is ready to install. Everything is complete. The installation of the Jenkins is now completed. Now this is the dashboard of the Jenkins. There are multiple options are there. In the right side you have a new item. So build history, manage Jenkins, my use there. Okay. So now how to create a project in the Jenkins? To create a project on the Jenkins, just click on the new item. There are multiple options are there. One is freestyle project. Second one is pipeline, and third one is multi-configuration project. Fourth one is folder. Fifth one is multi-branch pipeline, and sixth one is the organization folder. Freestyle project, the project will build it manually. We don't use any code. If you want to build the pipeline or build the projects for deployment of the software by using the coding, then we will go for the pipeline. Okay. There are other projects are there multiple configuration projects are there, like suitable for the large number of different configurations such as testing multiple amount, use of multi configuration project. Here multiple branches are there, like you have a multiple branches, Git having multiple branches. To run the multiple branch pipeline at a time, we'll go for the multiple branch pipeline. Now you don't select anything, select simply here the freestyle project and give name, any name here. I'll just give the name here, Jenkins project. Jenkins project. I'm giving the name here, Jenkins project. Okay. You can give any name, then select on OK. Now created a project. Now created a project. Once I created the project, there are multiple options are there in left side. So one is the option is general, second one is the source code management, third one is the build trigger, fourth one is the build environment, and fifth one is the build steps, and sixth one is the post build actions. Here I don't use any code here. So next class I will show you how to deploy a code. Okay. Then here I just go to the build steps here. I'll just add build step here. Select execute shell. Yeah, I'll just run the shell command. Just run the shell command that echo here the double quotes. Just add the Jenkins project deployed. Jenkins project deploy. Jenkins project deploy. Then apply here. Then save here. So to run the Jenkins project, go to the dashboard here. Here in the right side of the Jenkins project, I have a play button is there. Just click on the play button. So just click on the play button and just refresh here. So when you just refresh here, it shows that build successfully. If you give the wrong command, the project is not successful, not deployed successful. It shows the error. Now it shows the project is successfully. Here click on this one. We have click on this one. The project successfully. Here multiple options are there. I want to check the output what I had given. Just click on the console output. So what is the output here? I just given a small command to run here. What is that? Here this is the echo Jenkins project deploy. So Jenkins project deploy. Here this is the output. This is the output of the Jenkins. So like that we can install the Jenkins and we can deploy the Jenkins. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. So thank you for watching my video, and please support and please subscribe. Okay, in other next upcoming videos I will show you that how to run the Jenkins by using the other tools and integrate the tools, and we will going to deploy a small project using the Jenkins. So thank you for watching my video and please subscribe.